Hey guys, Matt with TopHap here. Today we're talking about wildfires. California in particular has been affected by wildfires for the last few years, but wildfires are not a risk for a lot of areas in California. And TopHap can help you figure out which areas are more at risk and less at risk. Check it out.
We've all heard that California is experiencing a massive drought and is basically on fire. But in reality, that's really only a very small portion of California. And right now we're looking at the SF Bay area. We have the Napa area in the top left, we have San Francisco in the bottom, and we have the East Bay on the right. If I want to know where we have the greatest risk of wildfire, all I have to do is go down to the hazards icon in the bottom of the page and hit NRI wildfire. This will change the heat map to show me where the highest likelihood of wildfires are. The purple is high likelihood, and the yellow and green is low likelihood. So you can see even within an area that has experienced some wildfires in the last few years, very few areas are actually affected by it. Because to have a wildfire, you need large areas of open grassland. Odds of having a wildfire in the San Francisco area are very slim because there's really no open areas there. So although you may hear things about certain areas like wildfires and whatnot, be sure to check TopHap because it can help you identify the areas that actually are prone or at risk for wildfires, because most of the time the risk is very minimal. This is just another way that TopHap helps you find the houses that are right for you.
I hope you enjoyed the video, but remember, TopHap isn't just for figuring out wildfire risk. So to learn more, please check out the rest of our videos.